Oh, hello. Guess what we've got?
I don't know, but you look very orange.
It's very orange, and I haven't stood in it this time because this is a Lomo 39 litre dry bag
Rucksack.
rucksack
With something up its sleeve.
with something very important up its sleeve. However, look, proper rucksack, proper straps, carrying handle, waterproof as ever. Obviously, these roll down like all Lomo bags do and then connect either like that or like that. I would imagine they'd be like that, wouldn't they? Rucksack, strappy bit to go over the top to hold it down, but lots of good little things here because Lomo makes some amazing stuff. Okay, this strap comes over the top and connects in here to keep it down. I believe that this is reflective.
I think so, yeah. And they do a totally black one as well. So
Yeah.
black and an orange. I think the black and orange goes well, especially if you've got a KTM.
Yeah, so these straps actually go onto clip onto it to hold it down tight. But you've got these little bits here. Now, what do you think they're for?
Don't know.
Okay, look at the bottom here. We've got a zip. What lives in here, I hear you ask? Well, I'll show you.
Waterproof
A waterproof zip, which is weird because there's holes in it.
But
But
the
inside
water out
here-
that's got in.
Yeah, it's a hairnet. Well, actually, it's a helmet bag that clips onto the outside of here, like this. If I can show you like that, your helmet would fit inside. It then clips to the straps. It can be pulled tight.
How about,
There we go.
undo that one.
There we go. It's like a parachute. My shoulders.
Right, so you'd roll that up. That would be rolled up. And then this one, haven't you got one in here?
Yep.
That would then go over there to tighten that. But this thing here is really, really quite good. So you've got two clips. And I think the clips go on the top bit. And then these.
Hang on. We've got to look at that. That didn't sound right. No.
What?
Won't they go on this?
They might well do.
Yeah, that's where they'll clip. Oh, no, they won't.
Right. Right, we'll go back to having it on Mark's back.
Let's try again.
Right, so you could then put your helmet in there. Why you'd carry two helmets, I don't know. But you might have bought a brand new helmet and have nowhere to put your old helmet. Or just be taking something else. But in this pocket, there are two clips. Right inside here. So you can put your helmet on there. Now, obviously, you don't have to have a helmet. You could have loads of apples if you wanted to. If you were off out on my motorcycle tour. And obviously, we do our tours over in RiderCamTV tours. But you could carry lots of things in there. So say you've turn that around that way, Mark. You've got your bag filled up because you've been to Lidl because they're Lidl on price but big on quality. And then
Just a minute, I'm going over here.
you could fill loads of stuff.
Look, I've got over here. Let me go over here. Let me go this way.
Hang on. You could put loads of stuff in there. But then you've also got that to carry extra things. And I think what you were looking at is these.
I was trying to get over there, but you weren't having it.
So you could even carry cones. Now, obviously, that is a necessity
shapes
for
are
anybody
available.
on a motorbike. So if you had nothing in your bag, you could carry those cones like that, couldn't you?
For your mobile CBT testing facility.
Or if there's loads of stuff in there, that could go there. But ultimately, we jest about that. But what a good little system. So not only for a helmet, but you can tighten that right down, hook loads of stuff in there, couldn't you? So you might be somebody who goes on tour, goes riding, and doesn't have wet weather gear. But you have wet weather gear to go over the top. You could put that in there, couldn't you? How cool is that? So back over to you, Mark.
Back over to... Well, anyway, thanks for that, because I wouldn't have managed that. But when we look inside, are you sure it's not a hairnet?
Well, I don't know. Let's have a look.
What else lives in here?
Hang on a minute. I've got to unclip them.
Oh.
Because it just shows you how versatile this bag can be, really. This isn't QVC, but it is quite a versatile bag. So it is quite versatile.
An Englishman on holiday, mate. Listen to this, though. Listen to this. What's that?
I don't know, but I'm going to step away very
No,
quickly.
you'll be fine. Look, inside here are,
Want me to hold that?
hold that please, a little pouch where you can carry stuff, a little pen thing. What are you doing?
Just sniffing the bag. You've always got to sniff 3M tape and bags.
Odd.
It reminds me of armbands from in primary school when I went swimming.
You're going down a dodgy road there, mate. Anyway, so these fit inside the bag, Velcro, and there's two of them. Look, both the same.
Yeah.
His and hers. Okay. Hers and his.
Okay.
His, whatever's. Okay, fit inside there. 39 litres. It's an enormous bag.
Shall I see if I can find what the price is?
You can. Have you got a signal here? We are in the middle of the Netherland here,
Wow.
aren't we?
Yeah,
Give
we
me
are
that.
in the middle of nowhere because I can't get... Oh, yes, I can. Right, guess the price.
£80. Another guess do I get? Because there was a bit of a pregnant pause there while I'm
Obviously.
fixing this all back in. Let me guess, £40.
A little bit more.
I'm not doing it again.
£45.
You're joking.
Now, you look at something like that with the new the North Face or something like that for hiking shops, you'd be paying hundreds, wouldn't you? I think Lomo's are really good.
There's a geezer
good
on
company.
Facebook at the moment advertising something like this, recycled plastic, and I know they're selling for 90 quid.
But these are really, really well made. We've had loads over the years,
Yep.
and we continue to use some of the ones that we really like that fit our needs.
And the military use Lomo stuff everywhere.
Do they really?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, there you go. So, Lomo, 39 litre dry bag,
Rucksack.
rucksack,
Yeah.
because it's got those on the back.
Carry not just your helmet, carry anything that you should wish
Small
for.
children,
Yeah, well,
old
why
copies
not?
of Newsweek, broken glass.
The
See ya.
possibilities are endless, aren't they? We'll see you soon.